Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen timeout time on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the crown of the watch to open the Apps menu. Select Settings from the App menu. Then select Display. Tap Screen on Duration. You can now choose between a few different screen timeout durations, the maximum being 30 seconds. Tap a duration to select it and then tap the tick on the battery warning. You can also change your watch's screen timeout time from your phone. Open up the Zepp app on your phone and then tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap your watch's name below My Devices at the top. Select Watch Settings and then tap Display and Brightness. Tap Auto Screen Off. You can then choose between a few different time variations like before. Choose a time and then tap OK. Your watch's screen timeout time has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.